Happy Friday! Yes, minutes, hours away from the holiday weekend here. I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Good Friday morning. Things do look eerily similar to what they were on Thursday. Another day of clouds, another day of 50s in the morning and 60s in the afternoon. And today we've added some drizzle and eventually some sprinkles to the weather picture. We're going to have that coming up later in the afternoon. A couple of very widely scattered sprinkles in store for parts of the area, but a fairly light breeze. And temperatures upper 60s later on. We might be just a couple degrees warmer eventually today than we were on Thursday. Here's our Go Out Group camera from Assisi Heights. A lot of clouds around, just a gentle breeze out of the southeast. And from here, we're up into the upper 60s. Tomorrow, low 70s. By the time we get to Sunday, you see where we're going with this pattern. Warmer each day than the last. And by the time we get to Sunday, it's going to feel a little summer-like. We're talking about a little more humidity in the air, maybe a shot at 80 degrees. I think that'll be the best chance, certainly, of the holiday weekend set, the best chance we will have had the entire year. We have not officially hit 80 degrees. And the average first date of 80-degree high temperature in Rochester is May 3rd. We're a little beyond that. The record is June 9th. We're not quite to record territory, but definitely a little later than usual. It's not strange. It happens every once in a while. In fact, twice in the last 20 years, I guess, we've gone this far. So it's a little later than average, but we'll get there eventually, I'm sure. And I think this weekend offers at least a sizable chance of getting to 80 degrees. 57 right now in Rochester. It's 58 in Northwood. 59 in Decorah, just a little after 9:30 this morning. The southeast breeze, 13 miles per hour. Dew point in the mid-30s, or 50s rather, 53 right now. And that's going to slowly creep up, priming the atmosphere for these increased rain chances as we have a couple of storm systems coming in. One today that actually really arrives tonight brings a more widespread rain and thunder threat ahead of it. Sprinkles today, very sparse light activity, just because it's very sparse, very light, and maybe a glimpse of the sun. Similar to the timing we had yesterday, late in the afternoon, there's a chance a couple of breaks of sun will appear, and that'll help us get to around 68, 69 degrees. Sunset, 8:37 later today. There are the clouds around. They're going to be pretty much the dominant force, though, today. All of this ahead of that storm system. We had one that we were talking about yesterday that was impacting the region for almost the entire week. It's finally moving out, but here comes another one to replace it, coming out of Kansas, out of Nebraska, and there's that rain. You see that kind of spinning around, and that'll come in for late tonight. So spotty, very brief light sprinkles and showers today, in between maybe a couple of breaks in the stratus layer of cloud cover. We'll be watching that today. After midnight tonight was when the more widespread rain, measurable rainfall comes in. So warm, muggier weekend, progressively warmer each day. Some thunderstorm chances and scattered storms likely. Right now, here's the outlook for the next couple of days. We'll go with Futurecast. Sprinkles today, maybe a break of the sun late afternoon, early evening. High temperatures 60s to around 70. Here's that line of thunderstorms. We're watching that coming in at around 3 or 4 in the morning tomorrow, lasting through much of the morning. Afternoon, here's what we're facing. Scattered showers and thunderstorms, not severe weather, mind you, tomorrow. As that system moves through, the bulk of the rain moves out by around 4 or 5 in the afternoon. That leaves the evening as fairly decent weather time tomorrow. Maybe a spotty shower to the east of Rochester by around 5 or 6. Then we're talking maybe even some late day sun before that system moves out, just before sunset. But Sunday, we wake up promptly to clouds, showers, and thunderstorms. That will be the morning. Afternoon, maybe a glimpse or two of the sun early afternoon, then to set the stage, destabilize, prime the atmosphere for late day thunderstorms. So we're watching that for Sunday. Limited sun there, a possibility. A bit more of a south breeze on Sunday, at times 20, 25 miles per hour, and more humidity. You're going to feel that changing through the course of the day. 80 degrees on Sunday. Monday, mainly gray. At this point, we've been talking about sun. It looks like that may hold off until Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. This pattern has all shifted because of that blocking pattern and that first storm system this week taking days to get out of here. So we're kind of backlogged now. But showers and off and on thunder on Monday with the best chance of severe weather Sunday afternoon and evening. Very small chance it could be a hail-producing storm or two. We'll be watching that on Sunday. But Monday off and on showers and less of a severe threat. 69 today in Rochester, 64, Mason City, Preston 68, looking at a high of 69 tomorrow. We wake up to the upper 50s, make our way to the low 70s, and again on Sunday, a little warmer yet. But sprinkles today, southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Showers and thunderstorms, especially late tonight. 57. Again, this Saturday system, not severe. Looking at light to moderate showers and scattered storms. 72 It looks like Sunday could feature some heavier downpours of rain too. That humidity fueling that heavier threat, also the stronger threat of storm activity late in the day. 80 degrees on Sunday. Monday off and on showers. Slowly breaking out of the clouds on Tuesday, and then just a slight chance of a brief shower or two for the middle of the week, mainly Wednesday. And by that time, we're talking more sun than rain, more warmth than seasonable temperatures. 80 degrees is a bit above average for this time of the year. Even though we haven't hit it, typically we would normally do that by now, as I said, at least once or twice, but it's not typical to have it this often. We're going to do it twice in the next week. So overall, warmer than average temperatures in the coming days, but it looks like an unsettled weekend, so be prepared for rain and shine at times. Each day I think will feature at least a little of both, and as we move along we'll see more and more of the humidity coming in Sunday and Monday, really feeling a little sticky and summer-like. Unofficial start to summer, kind of feeling like it's unofficially summer. Anyway, have a great Friday and a terrific holiday weekend. We'll see you right back here on Monday.